Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can quickly share passwords with someone else on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Next, in Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Passwords. Next, in here, tap on the password that you want to share, and then tap on the share button at the top. Then in here, make sure you have turned on AirDrop. If AirDrop is switched off, then it might not work. So here I'm going to make sure AirDrop is turned on both devices, and then tap on the contact that you want to share it with. And over here, tap on Accept. And then here you can see the password has been shared to another device. Now another method is you can go into AirDrop. So AirDrop, and then in here tap on Bring Devices Together. So here I'm going to go into AirDrops. And we say Bring Devices Together. And then in here I'm going to go into Passwords. So we go down and tap on Passwords. Now we go and open up the password that you want to share. Then tap on Share. And here we can just bring the devices together like this. And then you can also tap on Accept. So that is another method that you can choose to use. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.